They say I don't know what I'm saying. What about the NMS, where soldiers' children supposed to gain access to military certificate and best education as NMS? They say NMS, Nigerian Military School. Nigerian Military School today is now being hijacked. It's now a political military school. A political military school. Now it don't turn to today. You hardly see soldiers' children in NMS. You hardly see soldiers' children in NMS. The only person you can hardly see is RSM, and it takes the guts of that RSM to put it picking for inside that school. Except the RSM, when they do muje follow them, they go say go to fire, go fire. Now that they give them that opportunity, not be all RSM they get that opportunity for picking to be in the NMS. But the school is open to soldiers. But today, the school is open to officers' children alone. If you go to the school, you will see that officers, politicians, no soldiers, outsider, political people, children, now they there, political leaders, now children, now they full element. Before you hardly see RSM, warrant officer picking there, it take the grace of God. That RSM or that warrant officer, he don't spend a lot of money. He don't spend money for him picking to be in NMS. Is this supposed to be so? Because they know that it's only their child that has future. A soldier's other children don't have future. Their father don't have future, so their children will not have future. It takes the grace of God for a warrant officer or master, for his son or his daughter to become an officer in the Nigerian army. It takes them the grace of God. They fight with their effort. Because why? They want the way when they use them, make their own people still use person own. That is why, which is not supposed to be so. They go course for abroad. They go course for abroad. They go course for abroad. The way when they treat other rank for Nigerian army. Now so they treat other rank for Nigeria. Look at how it be now for UN. Because of our own greedy and political general we have, how corrupted we have in this Nigeria. UN is no more giving Nigerian army a battalion. They know they give them. Now pieces company now that they give them. If you 2 months 170, is it not a shameful? Why Ghana they are giving Ghana 1 battalion? Still yet, if any soldier when go for UN, when go suffer for himself, when he come back to Nigeria, they not go agree pay the soldier their money. They are suffer. They go share them. The last one when they come now, where they come from UN now, they don't share the money. They don't share the money. Over 4 months when those people take on now, army no gree pay those soldiers their money, but the officer when follow them go, they don't pay them their money. Is that not a criminal general in the Nigerian army? Is that not wicked people? Somebody will not want your progress. Wait, you go call that one. Person don't want your progress. What it be? Is it not an enemy to you? Somebody go suffer himself. He not die for another man's country for war. He don't come back to for una to pay una no gree pay. Back to what I'm saying. NMS school for Zaria don't talk to political school of the Nigerian army, where soldiers' children is not welcome anymore. Where warrant officer, master, awo, their children are not welcome. Only RSN, and it takes the grace of God for RSN children to be in that school. The RSN go suffer, which is not supposed to be suffer for the first time. Now officer children and politician children, now the full NMS. Is that supposed to be so? We have what? Political general in the Nigerian army. Thank God say Nigeria don't know what those people they're capable of. That they don't already know say as a soldier, you don't have space in any betterment in the Nigerian army. Only what soldier have in the Nigerian army is debt and poor salary. Debt and poor salary, enslaving. But one day, revolution will stand. Who to say a revolution no go fit enter Nigeria? Who talk am? Don't worry. I don't talk now. See what una dey capable. Una don't they pay people to bring me down. Una they track me everywhere. Now the phone be this one. Now only one for I get. More na continue to the track. God, when you know say what you are the talk, no be bad thing. Say una dey devil. Una no dey serve God. Una they still they measure God. It to say God they wicked. The way when I take they wicked. As now come as I come they say God they with us. God supposed to strike una. God supposed to strike the officers for measuring God. You say betray. What do you mean by betrayal? By sitting down on the benefits of soldier, by making soldier not to get what he's supposed to get in this work. Is that not a betrayal to you people? Is that not a betrayal from you people to soldier? For you planning on how soldier will utilize this our money. Is that not a mutiny from you people to soldier? And I say, make person not talk. Now we don't know what they talk. Now they talk that one too. I need a betterment for soldier. Officers, make una come on hand. Federal government, make una answer. Soldier, they die every day. Because I say, may they not they send me video. Any soldier, anywhere when they for attack soldier, now when they for kill soldier, una collect their phone. May they not send me video. I still know. Make una not worry. Now because I just strategize. This time I just do one or two things. Una go hear from me very soon. For you, when una don't turn NMS school to political school, una turn NMS to political school. God they watch una. A better life go come for soldier one day. Una go say, una say if soldier they start pay soldier where soldier go they misbehave. Now soldier, because of some few people, una come to use and they suffer millions of people. Person like me, are you trying to tell me that I cannot handle 10 million by myself? Are you trying to tell me I cannot handle 100 million by myself at my age? You are using some people mentality to suffer a lot of people. Una sit down, say soldier no go get it right. Soldier must get it right. Soldiers must get it right. Soldiers must get it right. Whether I like it or not, generals of the Nigerian soldier must get it right. Now me talk on.